looking at, babe?
The bloody weather is so miserable. I've spent all this time building two Spidey, but a decent rock crawler, but they're not really set up for this bloody rubbish weather. It's soaking wet. I haven't got a decent trail truck, so I can't really go out and do trail truck stuff. I mean, I got the Bronx, but it's 1/8. I want a 1/10 trail truck.
Why don't you want to call a canyon? He usually cheers you up.
That's a really good idea. Do you know what? I'm going to go do that. You have the best ideas, babe.
Love you.
Thank you.
Welcome back, everybody. There's a rhythm you gotta hit. You gotta start on the right rhythm. Welcome back to the Canyon. Welcome back to an installment of the TRX4 Sport Tuning Series. Today,
TRX4.
we're gonna throw a little bit of money at it. And when I say a little bit of money, I mean a little bit of money. I really do. I really do. You know what? Before the music gets loud again,
TRX4.
We'll go grams. It makes sense to more of the world. 139 on that guy.
Hello? That's weird. I was just thinking I'd love to get out with a trail truck. Let's get this charged up and see what it goes like. Right, let's get that out of the way and we get a battery on charge.
Babe, babe, I made you a drink.
Oh,
Hi, Daddy.
hello, mate. Hello.
It's you.
I was dreaming
Yeah.
about a TRX4.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was at the park driving in the puddles.
Yeah.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Well, what was all that about? Do you know what? I hope you don't mind, but I'm just fed up with just regurgitating the same sort of videos as all the shield tubers are doing. And I just wanted to do something different. I was previously thinking about getting a TRX4 because I feel like it is probably one of the best RTRs. It's certainly a good platform for people getting into the hobby. Apart from all the electronics, like if Traxxas were able to, and I understand why Traxxas don't do it because they are in the business of making money. They kind of have to sell us a truck that then needs all the upgrades because that's how they make the money. The money isn't in the selling of an RTR, although they probably do make a bit from that as well. It's selling us their proprietary batteries and other systems. That's where the money is for them. So I get it. But as a platform for you to buy and then grow with, I do really feel like the TRX4 is a fantastic platform for that. It is without a doubt the best RTR trail rig you can buy, hands down. I switched out the Canyon Trails. I've got Revo RC dual stage 3D printed inserts in Duratrax, Deepwoods or Louise Champs, or known by many other names. The 1800 Fusion was a no-brainer. On the standard gearing, I can't think of a better motor to pair with the truck. You do not need to start adding servos and buying the extra bits to get the dual gearing working, the 2-speed gearing. All you need, I mean, the perfect pairing for it would be the 2300, but you don't need to spend that amount of money. You can get away with the 1800 Fusion on the stock gearing. If you wanted a little bit more sprightly, I mean, this is way above walking pace, so it's perfect for trailing. But if you wanted to do the dumb stuff and have a little bit more speed, but still have all the low end, you could go 2 routes. You could maybe go up 2 teeth on the pinion, or you could put a 2300 Pro Fusion Pro in here, and that would get you all the silly stuff that you need. So in my opinion, this is as little as you need to do to have a really, really good performing truck. I re-drilled the holes on the bottom of the battery bay on the bottom of the receiver tray rather. So I've drilled 2 new holes in the bottom of the chassis, really easy to do, which enables you to directly put the, just make sure everything's shot, directly put the wires into the receiver box instead of having to route them round and go in the other end like they want you to with the stock positioning. We removed the battery tray. By the way, most of the modifications that I've done are the same as what was done on Crawler Canyon's TRX4 tuning series. So if you want to see everything, I'll put a link up there in the cards and down in the description as well. Go and check out his TRX4 tuning series if you're considering getting one of these. He is doing all of the things that you might want to do. Some of the bits are optional, but in my opinion, some of the bits essential. The TRX, I will put the number on the screen up here. The TRX4 battery relocation for putting a smaller battery up here. You can still get like a 2200 or 2600 battery up the front here, which of course gets the one away over the front axle, and by removing this tray, like this tray weighs like 80 grams or something ridiculous, you get a lot of that weight forward, albeit quite high up. You know, when it's mounted up the front like that, it is quite high weight, but it's forward weight. We chose to replace the standard Traxxas unit in here with the GDW 896 servo. I've been testing and running these servos for a while now. There are cheaper options. You could go with the DS3235, but this isn't super spendy, and it is an incredible performer. It's fast and it's strong, running off of the 7.4 volt setting that you can get out of the BEC on the Fusion. Feeds this with enough power to do anything that you're going to want to do with the TRX4 setup. And someone said recently that you just run the stock stuff, but the minute you start adding 180 gram, there's still a lot of water in the wheels. The minute you put the 180 gram brass rings in the front and so on, you do start to then see the weakness in the standard servos and the power, you know, the motor setup and everything. So it would be my advice that you do replace all of this. I hate the TQ radio, so we've used a cheap Fly Sky radio that I had from another RTR that allows me to do the one-handed driving for filming, and the signal and everything's really good on it still. Brilliant servo, almost, I would say, a must-do upgrade is the 1800 Fusion. You could go with a 2300 if you had a bit of money spare and you didn't mind spending it, but the 1800 really is enough unless you're looking for things other than what will be sufficient. I custom made, and these may be available at some point, I custom made steering links and panhard link and a full brass link set front and back to get some low down weight, and the increase in stability makes this a really, really worthwhile modification in my opinion. From Gladys, because the Gladius is an almost direct copy of the TRX4, we used the front knuckles, and I also purchased brass C-hubs and brass diff covers. Everything that I've used will be linked below, by the way, guys. If you want to get yourself a TRX4 Sport and turn it into a very, very capable trail rig that can rock crawl, then you might want to use the links below and get the parts that I've used in this, or go over and have a look at Crawler Canyon's video where he canyonifies his TRX4 Sport, and it's been a really great series. I've really been enjoying that, and it was partly the inspiration for doing my version of it. We did chop off the running boards, flush this, but we retained the body retaining location on the outside there. We haven't raised these up, or have we? Yeah, no, we did. We actually raised these as well, so we gained a bit of clearance. What else did we do? We have got the overdrive and underdrive ready to go in, which I think will improve the performance of the rig even more. But I should fully expect to see a few videos of this. We're going to take it out. This will be like a kind of tyre testing rig. We'll be testing out wheel and tyre combos and other bits and bobs on this. Certainly anything that you need for waterproofing, and maybe some scale bits and bobs, because this will be my scale and trail rig from now on. I just needed something that I could completely submerge, and as you can see from the video, this rig is a submarine, and this is post-run. Look how clean it is. Literally washed it off with water, gave it a good blast off, GT85 everything, gave it a blowout with my computer blower, and it looks absolutely like new, as you can see. And the GT85 will prevent rust and stuff like that, guys. So that is an incredibly capable rig. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much to all of you that have subscribed to the channel. Thank you to the RC Mummy and the RC Baby for allowing me to enjoy my hobby, and for being involved with the filming and stuff as well. Without them, it wouldn't be possible. Please hit the like button and share this with anybody that you think might appreciate it. And remember, no matter the question, love is always the answer. How are you doing? Are you okay? If you feel like you need to reach out to someone, some strange bloke in a tiny little office on the internet, and just chat balls for a bit, I'm your guy. That's it for this one. Bye for now.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no.